How to sign in Minecraft Education Edition. It's quite easy and simple to log in or sign in to Minecraft Education Edition. Do follow the video till the end so that by the end of the video you'll learn how to do it. Without much delay, let's dive right into the video. Open any preferred browser on your device. Click on the search bar or web address bar at top of the screen and search Minecraft Education Edition. On the results section, scroll down. Click on the first link of Minecraft Education. You need to wait for some few moments until the official interface or the web page of Minecraft Education Edition opens. For a quick tour, you can click on Quick Start button at top right corner of the screen and have a quick tour. But in order to log into your Minecraft Education Edition account, click Sign In button at top right corner of the screen. Now you will get access to this login page. Make sure you have the Microsoft account. So basically this Minecraft Education Edition is a game-based learning platform that transfer education by fostering creativity in a virtual block building environment for your classroom. So you can easily enter the email address, phone number, or Skype, or you can also use the account that has been given below. And after you have clicked on it, then you need to simply enter all the credentials to create a profile. That is your first name, last name, organization, city, country, time zone, email, terms and condition, and create a profile. You can also upload a photo. And after that, you can successfully sign into Minecraft Education Edition. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on the section or video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.